So if you're an aspiring young designer and you want to branch into design, or for that matter, I've been contacted by many older people in their 30s or 40s, or even in one case in their 50s, who want to go into design, but that's not their history. So how do they get into the field of design? There's no single answer for everybody. But here's the most important advice that I know how to give. Have something special about you, something special that you can do that is different from the normal designer. So if you major in engineering or in literature or in marketing or in whatever field you want to major in, what you want to do is say, this is what I can bring to you. I'm an expert in knowing how people behave, because you want to know what field understands people the best. It's not psychology. It's not the social sciences. It's the novel writers. A novelist has to really understand people because they have to write a story about real people and real, well, fake people, fictitious people, but in real sounding situations that you think is, oh yeah, that's the real, I know a person just like that, or I know that a fight just like that. They have to be really good observers of human beings. And that's what you can bring to the situation. So if you're an engineer, you can bring your engineering skills to the design profession. If you're a business person, whatever your background is, you have unique skills. In fact, I kind of count that part of my success has been because I was trained as an electrical engineer. I got a degree in what was called mathematical psychology. That was my PhD. Realized that the mathematics was all very fine. We were using mathematics to search for a good problem, and I decided it was better to try to solve the important problems and then figure out what is the best method. So I became from a mathematical psychologist to what I call an information processing psychology, because I brought my engineering background into psychology. And that became cognitive psychology. And I thought then psychology was too narrow. And so I wanted to be able to bring in neuroscience, and I wanted to bring in linguistics and philosophy and anthropology and sociology, and of course, computer science and the early days of artificial intelligence. And so I helped create the first department of cognitive science. And from cognitive science, I discovered all sorts of interesting things because I understood technology and people, and suddenly, oh, that's the field of design, isn't it? And so I left the university and went off to a company, learning how to actually make products that people could use and understand. So I was also an executive. And that's where I discovered design, the field of design, and now I call myself a designer. But I'm not really a designer. I'm trying to simply to make the world a better place. And I think design is one of the most powerful tools, but it's not the only one. And the way you succeed is by learning other disciplines and by taking the knowledge in the other discipline and applying it to the design discipline. And you get a job because you are unique. You have a unique combination. All the others, they all look the same. You will look different.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more of our UX videos, take a look at these over here and consider subscribing to our channel. On our website, nngroup.com, you can access our free library of over 2,000 articles. You can also register for one of our virtual UX conferences that offer live hands-on UX training.